Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is t-shirt design. So to go for the design and show you how to make a t-shirt design. So first of all, I will go for the selection tool. Then I will go for the type tool. Now I will edit here. I will edit here, which is t-shirt. S-H-I-R-T. T-shirt design. Now I will fix here. Fix it in middle, and now I will change its color. Sorry, I will make it. I will make it some change which will be the mm, or yeah, this color. This color is perfect here. You can see, and I will change its stroke color, which will be the green, and other alls will remain the same. Now I'm going to save it and export it with the past. Export it as PNG format. Use artboard export. Okay, and replace it with the past. Now I am going to the new design. I will take a artboard here. In any template you can use for the t-shirt design, and so I will take 10 into 10 inch, which is the perfect for me because I choose it how long I see. So let's see. Yes, this is a t-shirt and I will design it. So sorry. um Sorry. This is okay. No, I think this is not okay. How it look like? Just take it and I will make a copy of it. Make a copy of it and I will how it look like. So uh, it should be 90 degree. It's it's nice to look. You can see here. It's nice to look, and I will edit here. Sorry. Uh, HAMMER. Then I will make here WORLD world hammer world, and this should be bigger in size, and it should be world. And I will change its color. It should be the red, and this should be the black. This should be the black. How it look like, and it will be my chest. It will be on the chest, and how it look like. I think it's look very good to see. This is hammer world, and now you can change its font. Its font. Okay, let's see. Change its font. And I will make it hammer world. How it look like? I think it's look very good. And this is the design of today's class, today's t-shirt design. And I will show you the more design on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.